you going, fellas? How you going, everyone? Hope you're all doing well today, this morning, this evening, this afternoon, yesterday, or the day before. Just doing a bit of cleaning in the garden, and it's cold start the Triton with the new exhaust. Oils ain't oils. Valvoline. You know what I mean. Who said those famous words? Who here in Australia knows who said that? Tell me in the comments. Anyway, I decided to wash it. I'm going to give the thing a bit of a... Might have trouble drying today, but anyway, going to give the thing a full detail, bugger it. Whack a bit more oil in it, I think, too. The old exhaust pipe mess and the new one. Spitting a bit of shit out the back. Rolling coal. Oh, let's get off the grass anyway. Start her up. Oh, there's that lumpy cab. Listen to that, love it. Only does that when it's cold, of course. That sounds like a truck, eh? Yeah, and he does that when it's cold, unfortunately. Let it warm up, but yeah, loving the where am I? Loving the gauge, but it's quite bright. So I've got to figure that out. Don't know. It's quite bright, but I don't know how you'd go having 3 or 4 or whatever, how many up here on the pillar. Glowing like no tomorrow. Hard to see out the bloody out the mirror, the side mirror, with that glow in the face. Now, my Triton came with the beep beep beep, you know, when you reversed, right? And when I installed the radio, it gave me a reverse camera too. So I don't know how many of you have got that. I find it quite helpful. It's got the beep beeps as well as the reverse camera. Can never go wrong, eh? Shouldn't hit anything. Alright, put the car in the garage in a second once it dries, and give her a bit of a polish and that, and see how it looks afterwards. We might go for a drive as well. Alright, how many Ks we got on this old girl? We got 140, 145. So it's bloody well getting up. I got it when it had 57,000 Ks on it. It's almost like brand new. Still is brand new. Oh, that was nice and easy. Well, it wasn't that easy, but it sure looks a lot better. Gave it a good polish and a nice little detail there, so it's looking good. Gonna go for a drive shortly. Backyard's looking a bit cleaner too. Here's the one section here. Look, here's my workers. Righto. If you made it this far, thanks guys. Cheers and have a good night. See ya.